In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use round-robin assignment in Freshservice. Round-robin assignment automatically distributes incoming tickets evenly across a team, so work lands on one agent at a time in a fair rotation. Here's how to turn it on and set it up the right way. Start by opening the admin area in Freshservice. If you use multiple workspaces, go to Workspace Settings, otherwise, open Global Settings. From there, navigate to User Management, then Agent Groups. This is where groups live and where round-robin can be enabled. You can create a new group or adjust one you already use. Click Create Agent Group if you're starting fresh, or click Edit next to an existing group. Give the group a clear name and a short description so everyone knows what it's for. Select the business hours that apply to this team. Matching the group to the correct hours helps keep reporting consistent and sets the right expectations for ticket coverage. Next, add the people who will be part of this group. Agents must be in the group to receive tickets through round-robin. Add them as members if they should be assigned tickets. If someone only needs visibility without receiving tickets automatically, add them as an observer. Observers can view and collaborate, but round-robin will skip them. As a practical tip, keep the members list limited to agents who are actively taking tickets and switch someone to observer if they're training or temporarily unavailable. Now turn on automatic assignment. Look for the setting labeled Automatic Ticket Assignment and enable it. This single switch activates round-robin distribution for tickets that land in this group. From this point forward, when a new ticket is routed to the group, through your workflows or manual assignment, Freshservice will assign it to one agent at a time, cycling through the members list in order so distribution stays balanced. After enabling it, keep an eye on the first few days of activity. If one person is getting too many specialized requests, consider adjusting your workflows to route those to a different group, and make sure only the right agents are members here. That's it. You've created or updated a group, added the right people, and enabled automatic ticket assignment so round-robin can do the heavy lifting. Thanks for watching, and enjoy smoother, fairer ticket distribution in Freshservice. See you in the next tutorial.